Hey guys.
Subscribe to our channel to never miss a video on CAT and the other management exams only by Topmytest.
Alright, this one says a student mess committee of a reputed engineering college has N members. Let P be the event that committee has students of both sexes, and Q be the event that at most one female student there is at most one female student in the committee. Assuming that each committee member has a probability of 0.5 of being a female, the value of N for which events P and Q are independent is how much? Okay, so now if you look at it, probability of being a female is half. So which means I can toss a coin, and if it's heads it will be a male, if it is tails it will be a female. Okay, we also know probability of two independent events will be when probability of P intersection Q is same as probability of P times probability of Q. Right, so let's see what these values are. Okay, now P is an event where you should have students of both the sexes. So if I toss a coin n times, there are 2 to the power n results, right? I don't want all males, I don't want all females. That is possible only in two ways. All heads will be males, all tails will be females. So this will be 2 to the power n minus 2. Right, this will be the value of probability of P. Right, this is probability of P. Probability of Q is you want at least one, at most one female student. At most one female student. So if I toss a coin n times, you have 2 to the power n outcomes. 0 females will be one way, all are heads. One female would be choose NC one way, choose one of the coins which will give you a tail, everyone else gives you a head. So probability of Q will be n plus 1 divided by 2 to the power n. Right. Now what is P intersection Q? Right, it should be so I want both the genders to be there as well as at least one female should be there, which means this case is out because in this case both genders are not there and you want at most one female. So probability of P intersection Q will be this divided by 2 to the power n. So by the definition of independent events, I'll get 2 to the power n minus 2 divided by 2 to the power n into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the power n. This should satisfy. So 1 2 to the power n goes out. Let me bring this here. This gives you n divided by n plus 1. This implies n divided by n plus 1 should be equal to 2 to the power n minus 2 divided by 2 to the power n. This gives you 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Right. Now if I put n is equal to, so these are the values of n. You can now use trial and error to solve this. If I put n is equal to 2, this will give you 2 divided by 3. This side will give you 1 minus 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 2, so that's half. Half is not equal to 2 by 3, so A is out. If I put option B here, option B if I put here 3, this will be 3 by 4. This will be 1 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 minus 1, 2 square. This is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is also 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equals 3 by 4. Option B is your correct choice. Right, so you just need to identify the probability. Once it is done, you can use the basic definition of independent events and solve this. That finishes this question.